Here's the display in shutdown mode. It's drawing about 48 or 49 milliamps. Okay, now shutdown mode is off, but there's no pixels lit. It's drawing 240 amps. Here's the lowest intensity level, 500 milliamps. 25% intensity, 1.8 amps. 50% intensity, 2.78 amps. 75% intensity. And at full 100% intensity, the whole system draws 3.8 amps or so. Now I'm testing routines, marking the corners, drawing boxes. I'm testing some bitmaps. Here's another bitmap of the Atlanta skyline. Here I'm testing scrolling. There's a variety of routines I have written to draw bitmaps, wrap bitmaps, write the bitmap with an offset and with zero padding, just to make graphics a lot easier. Some of these actually intentionally introduce errors so I can try different things. So for example, I've got routines to make text to a bitmap to display. I can make scrolling text in a box. There's actually 3 sets of these. They use different approaches. One of these introduces an error, and again, that's on purpose just to see what happens when I format it different ways. You watch the period. And we'll repeat the cycle again.